Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create 3D architecture in ASP.NET. So we are going to create a new project of language Visual C# web ASP.NET web form application. We are going to create a web form. So here I'm going to rename my project Plastiform or whatever you want. Press OK. It will create a new Plastiform project. On the other hand, in my SQL Server Management Studio, I have created a new database Plastiform, and here is the database diagram, and the tables are in the table content. So after creating my project, I'm going to add new project in the Solution Explorer. Right now it's only one, but now I'm going to add a new project. Windows, class library, it must be the same language, Visual C#. Class library, BLL, press OK. BLL is business logic layer. I'm going to add another project, DAL, data access layer. So now we have 3 projects in our solution. In our BLL business logic layer, we are going to add a new item, the data. We are going to create a connection string of our SQL database, ADO.NET Entity Data Model. If you want to change the name, you can, but right now it will be same for me. Add generate from database. Next, new connection. Here you can copy your server name and paste it. Now the selection for database name is highlighted. You can select your database Plastiform. Okay, so now it's created a new connection string. Next, it will retrieve all the database tables and store procedure views. If whatever you want, you can select from here, but right now I only need my tables. These are my tables, but I don't want any store procedures right now. I will click finish. So my new database diagram is created in my Visual Studio. I'm going to save it. Okay, it's saved. I will close all the tabs. So our next step is to add reference in our data access layer. Add reference. I'm going to add reference of our business logic layer from the solution. Press OK. You can see it's added. Now another reference is the most important reference to run your project, that is Entity Framework. It's already in our BLL. You can see Entity Framework, the properties. You can check the version of your Entity Framework. It's 5.0.0. It must be the same in DAL. So right at this time we have no any Entity Framework, so I'm going to add here. We are going to browse because there is no any Entity Framework in assembly. So what now we are going to add from externally. So I'm going to add it through the same version, Entity Framework. You can check the properties first. Details, it's 5.0.0. it's the same. You can copy and you should place that's my project, Plastifoam, Dal, bin, debug, and you are going to place over there, paste, and now you are going to add, and then okay, it's added over here. So we have done with our business logic layer, with our data access layer. Now the last step is to add the reference of our class libraries in our project. We are going to add reference, right click on add reference, solution, add business logic layer, data access layer, press OK, and it's added. And now the last assembly, and you have to add the very important reference, that is system.data.entity. It's already checked, but if in your project it's not checked, you should add it from here. Press OK. So now our project is almost complete. You can add your web forms and create whatever you want in the project. Thank you.